positive view on the stock.
Okay, all right. Noted that view out there. By the way, just keep an eye out from the couple of stocks in the broader markets. Then Tega Industry, just pull up the intraday chart out there. Remember, the stock had listed with big gains, 60-70% odd. From there, it saw a sharp correction. We explained the stock earlier in this week itself. For the time being, the stock is moving higher. It's the mill liner. It's involved in global mill liner. So that's one stock that's moved up. AMI Organics is the other stock that's suddenly seen a bit of a spurt up in the last few minutes. So keep an eye out. That's another new listing, which listed with a lot of, fanfare and interest. From there, in fact, the stock corrected close to around 30%. Now seeing a bit of an uptake. Well, let's get straight to the big news then of the day. The Adani Group has indirectly acquired more than 29% stake in news broadcaster NDTV. The Adani Group's unit has also announced an open offer for the additional 26% at around 294 rupees per share. This open offer will cost Adani close to around 493 crore rupees. Yash is standing by to fill us in with all of those details. Well, Yash, take us through the deal. How is it structured? And tell us what next.
Well, Nigel, before I start talking about the deal, let me just quickly speak about the shareholding pattern at NDTV itself. So promoters Pranoy Roy and Radhika Roy hold a little over 32%. Another promoter entity, which is called RRPR, held around 29% stake. Now, it's this 29% stake which was held by RRPR as an entity that has been acquired by this another entity called Vishwa Pradhan Commercial, which is a wholly owned unit or a subsidiary of the Adani Group. Now, interestingly, the announcement on Adani Group acquiring Vishwa Pradhan Commercial also came minutes before they announced the whole the concept of acquiring RRPR's 29% stake in NDTV. Now, the deal structure, importantly, Vishwa Pradhan Commercial has converted warrants issued by RRPR, which holds 29% stake in NDTV, in the form of taking that entire equity, which means the 29% stake which was held by RRPR went to Vishwa Pradhan Commercial as a part of the warrants of the loan which was given. And since Vishwa Pradhan Commercial was a unit of Adani's subsidiary, that indirect holding went to Adani Group as a stake in NDTV. What's next? Of course, importantly, because it was a transaction which involved transfer of stake of more than 25% and hence the voting rights, it triggered an open offer, which was for another 26% stake in the company at a price of 294 rupees a share. To the current market price, it's a discount of about 25%. As far as the open offer is concerned, of course, the two promoters, Pranoy Roy, Radhika Roy, as well as the retail shareholders will have the option to participate in that particular open offer. But what lies ahead for the Roys? Well, three important things to monitor here. One is that they can, if they feel that the whole transaction and the takeover is hostile, they can go ahead and challenge it on legal grounds, or they can tender in their shares in that open offer and exit NDTV. The third option essentially is to co-promote NDTV along with the Adani Group.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Yash. In fact, earlier today, we caught up with